Students, today we are going to learn about the refraction of light. Okay, now I will pass this is an which medium? Rarer medium. This is a rarer medium and this is a denser medium. Okay, and here this medium is air medium and this is a water medium. Water medium I taken. If I pass the light rays here, light rays, when light changes its direction when going from one transparent medium to the another transparent medium, and this is one transparent medium, this is a air medium and this is a water medium, and it changes its direction. See, this direction, it changes its direction. This only called the refraction of light. Light changes its direction when going from one transparent medium to the another transparent medium, and this is called refraction of light. This only called the refraction of light. Now this is the rays of light, and this ray is called incident ray and this ray is refracted ray, and this is the normal. And this angle, want to know the angle, I will take the angle one more, this one. If I passing this now, if I take this to the water medium, and I will show you the angle now very clearly. See, now this angle is 45 degree and this angle is called angle of incidence and this angle is called angle of refraction. Angle of incidence and angle of refraction, and this ray is incident ray and refracted ray. Okay. Now if I change the medium, now if I take, we can angle, we can measure with the help of the protector also to coincide with this 0, and this is exactly 45 degree and this is the 32.3 degree. Okay. You can measure with the help of the protector also angle. Now if I change this media, now what is refraction? What is refraction? Light changes its direction. Okay, this is the light ray, changes its direction from when going one transparent medium to the another transparent medium. Now we can see here the refractive index also. Here air, the refractive index is 1 and water, the refractive index is 1.33. I'll keep it exactly 1.33, the refractive index of water. Now if I am changing the air media to the, this is the air media only. Now water media to the glass medium, water medium to the glass medium. Now we can see the changes in the angle of refraction. Angle of refraction. See, the in the air the angle of incidence is same, but angle of refraction it changes. It becomes 28.1 degree now. It depends upon the refractive index of the material. The glass refractive index is 1. The glass refractive index is 1.5 to something, 1.5. Okay, now it depends on the refractive index of the material. If I change this media to the this also, we can say this is called, this is the rarer media, this is the denser media. Now you understood the what is refraction. Now the refraction of light in different media. Now we will learn that in different media. When a light ray passes from the rarer media to denser media, this is a rarer media, this is a rarer media, this media is rarer media, air media, rarer media to the denser media, it bends towards the normal. It bends towards the normal. Denser media, this is the glass media, and this is the air media. Rarer media is air media, and this is the glass media is denser media. It bends towards the normal. It bends towards the normal. Now, when a light ray passes from denser media, if I am changing this to the denser media, now denser media I will change it this to the denser media, but I'll take the glass, and then it changes to the rarer media now. Air, okay, it changes to the air media. Now it bends away from the normal. It bends away from the normal. If I take this to the water now, if I take this medium to the water, it changes. Now this rarer media, this is the denser media, this is the air media, this is the water. It bends towards the normal. And if I change this to the, here I will change it to the air, and here I will change it to the water. Denser media to the rarer media. It bends away from the normal. It bends away from the normal. Rarer media to the denser media. Now this I will take this to the water. The light ray passes. It bends towards the normal. Now this I will change that. This will become air. It bends away from the normal. We can see the refractive angle also. See the refractive index of air and water. Refractive index of air is 1.003 something. Okay, 1.1 something. And the refractive index of water is 1.33. Refractive index of water is 1.33. Now we can see this one angle of incidence and angle of refraction. See, it bends away from the normal. That means it depends upon the refractive index of the material. It bends away from the normal. This is a denser media and this is a rarer media. Now if you take denser media as a glass, now glass I will take just it bends away from the normal. Yes, it bends away from the normal. Rarer media to the denser media. Now rarer media to the denser media, it bends towards the normal, and denser media to the rarer media. This is the denser media and this is the rarer media. It bends away from the normal. Now if I pass the light rays incident normally at the boundary. Now what will happen? We are going to see now. See, incident normally at the boundary, and between the two medias, it does not change its direction. It does not change at all. If I am changing the medium, both the media will be same. If I take both the media is glass also. Here also I will take it the glass. See, now that means the refraction is does not get refracted. Refraction is does not takes place. And here also if I change the medium as here glass and here it is water, now also does not take place refraction. Now here also, here if I change the media, both I will keep it as water now. Water. Now also the refraction does not take place. And if I change media, this is air, this is water. Now also the refraction does not take place. That means it incident normally at the boundary, it will not change its direction. That means does not get refracted. That means if I change this to the air now, and if I change this to the water also, both air, the refraction does not take place. Here also diffraction does not take place.